How to delete WhatsApp contact number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then select any of the chat that you would want to delete from your device. Now, as you can see, this is the number that I want to delete. Now, tap on the three dotted lines and here you can see there's no option to delete this. You can either report them, you can block them, and as you tap on more, you can just clear the chat and so on, but you cannot delete it. So what you can simply do in order to delete the WhatsApp contact number is just go back and then tap on the phone number or the phone application on your device. Then tap on the search contacts and then search for this particular number over here. And here, as you can find the person, just tap or you can just scroll down and here you can see the option of delete. So tap on delete and you'll be able to delete this contact from your phone and your WhatsApp application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.